Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We hear so many bad things about Jamaica. We often forget the positive. Yes, crime and violence are real and, they're heartbreaking, but that's not the full story. Bad things are happening all over the world. Some people are fortunate when they visit Jamaica. Some have bad experiences. But at the end of the day, Jamaica as an island is still beautiful, still powerful, still inspiring the world. So today I want to share 10 things I absolutely love about Jamaica and how our small island has had a massive influence on the world. So first of all, let's talk about the people. The people are naturally vibrant, funny, full of spirit. Whether it's the way they talk or handle hardship, their strength and style can't be copied. Then we have the food. Real jerk chicken from the roadside with grill, with festival and ackee and sawfish, curry goat, Bamiyan fish. Our food is so deep. Jamaica also gave us reggae dancehall, dub, and it didn't stop there. Our rhythms have shaped reggaeton in Latin America to grime in the UK, and even in parts of Africa. When I visit Africa and I'm on a bus or I'm in a taxi, that's all they're playing. They're playing reggae music. Some of them don't even understand what is being said in some of the music, but they just love the rhythm. Then we have the beaches, clear crystal waters, white sand, sunset in the grill, morning in Treasure Beach, people paying thousands just to step on what we as Jamaicans take for granted. Then we have patois. That's real, raw, and expressive. It's more than a slang, it's a cultural identity that even foreigners try to imitate. Again, when I visit Africa, they approach you with the Jamaican twang. They really want to adapt the accent. Jamaicans are born entrepreneurs. Every Jamaican has a side hustle, a business idea, a plan. Even the vendors round the corner have a strategy. One of the main reasons for this is probably because Jamaica don't really have a welfare service that I'm aware of. They, like in the UK or in America, you can guarantee that if you're in poverty, there is some kind of help available. But to date, I'm not really knowledgeable about any kind of welfare system that exists in Jamaica. If any person on here is aware of anything like that, drop it in the comments. So because people have to be self-reliant, there is a lot of entrepreneurs in Jamaica. Then we have the humor. People can turn every situation into a joke. That humor has kept us going through hardship, struggle, and even politics. So no matter where you go, Jamaicans will tell you, "Me come from yard." We're proud, loud, and unapologetic. Beyond the beaches, there is a lush mountain waterfalls like Dunn's River Fall, Reach Falls, Blue Mountain. This is pure therapy, which brings me on to our influence. Our music is global, and this was brought to light by people like Jimmy Cliff, but also more prominent people like Bob Marley. Bob Marley's icon of peace and resistance. Our music has inspired revolutions, movements, and generations. Our music talks about injustice in Africa, injustice in South Africa, just trying to get the rights of people seen and heard. We have athletes like Usain Bolt, Shelly Ann Fraser. We've dominated global athletics. Per capita, we produce more sprinters than anywhere else. Then we have the Rastafari movement, which is global. The fashion, speech, even attitudes influence Black identity and resistance worldwide. Jamaicans abroad are keeping the culture alive, whether in Toronto, London, or New York. Everywhere Jamaicans go, we have big impact, swagger, spirit. And of course, we have, certain things that tend to impact certain things that are not so good. Like on YouTube, have we seen our Jamaican community show a negative side, which is envy, weekly drama, people trying to tear each other down. We need to develop these sides. We need to develop more positivity. We need to come together because Jamaicans, when you look deep into it, we are beautiful people. We just need to get off the negative and try to come together as one. But, let's be real, Jamaica isn't paradise for everyone. Crime and violence spoil it. Negativity on YouTube spoil it. Negativity on the ground spoil it. These dim the beauty of the island. But the light of the island still shine regardless. Some people create fear, distrust, even amongst our own people. And, that can hurt because it's not who we are at the core. It's just about what's happening in some corners due to poverty, lack of opportunity, and systematic failure. So, is Jamaica perfect? No. What country is? What I do know is that Jamaica has a soul, a fire, a vibration that cannot be erased. That's why, despite everything, people from all over the world want to taste it, feel it, and be part of it, even if it's just for a while. So whether you're a Jamaican by blood or just in spirit, let's hold on to the good, speak about the bad, and work together for better, because Jamaica is more than the headlines. It's a global heartbeat. So guys, thank you for watching. Have yourselves a wonderful day. And you can drop in the comment, what do you love most about Jamaica? You can also drop the things that you dislike about Jamaica and how we could move forward to make it better. So guys, have yourself a beautiful day. And as they say in Jamaica, one love. Everything is going to be all right.